Pembroke has also been instrumental in establishing subject centres open to all schools in the hub school areas, to encourage engagement with non-vocational degree subjects such as theology, languages, some sciences and classics. Each one offers a series of lectures, visits and study skills support, as well as a chance to participate in an Oxford residential summer school.
Well, the subject centres are based on exactly the same model as the course. That is, there is a process of seminars, so we get academics from Oxford and Pembroke, but also from partner universities to turn up around a theme and give a seminar lecture.
They've been absolutely inspired by listening to individuals who are, as I said, right at the cutting edge of what's happening. And also the key thing that people may not realise is that at the end of those lectures, they get the opportunity to have one-to-one chats with the lecturers before they leave, and it's been truly inspirational for our learners.
There's been 6 lectures. We also offer trips out to different research laboratories, different research institutions. So for example, we went to Daresbury to look at SuperSTEM, which is a electron microscope. And we've been to the materials department in the Graphene Institution at Manchester, for example.
The feedback we've had is that the students find it hard to see how the maths that they learn in schools is related to anything useful. Why would they ever need to use it? So what we've been doing is going through examples of real life scenarios where you need to use maths. So hopefully they'll come away feeling like maths is useful and not just a subject they have to do.
I can't speak for anywhere other than the Northwest, that the Northwest students tend to be very northern centric, and therefore students who are more than capable of being a success in an Oxbridge degree do not travel down, and it's ruining, it's not ruining, but it's you know, their potential is not being fulfilled simply because they won't travel beyond Leeds.
So it's trying to encourage them to get used to that idea that Oxford is something that they could aspire to if they want it and if it's right for them.
I think it's an absolutely amazing scheme that young people are offered a sort of wonderful insight into the sort of hidden world of mystery and wonder of philosophy and theology that is largely missing from mainstream media, and a lot of students don't understand just how fascinating those secret worlds are.
It helps to introduce them to university-style learning and just to get them, thinking a bit more creatively about, a whole variety of different academic topics.
We teach Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese, Italian, Persian, French, and Spanish. We're trying to promote languages for people who didn't have background in those languages. We hope that will raise their aspiration to go to Russell Group, and maybe some will end up in Pembroke College because we have just started having a good relationship with them.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Xavier Rassan. Je travaille au département des langues de l'Open University, où nous développons des cours de langue du niveau débutant au niveau licence. I think learning languages help us understanding more cultures. It's like a window open to the world. Every time you learn a new language, you have an opportunity to open this window a bit wider.
There's only so much that we get taught in our language lessons in school, and I know that there's a lot more to the language than just the sort of using it as a tool.
Languages aren't a daunting prospect at university, and they're something that are actually really exciting because there are so many different strands of languages you can pursue, whether it's literature or politics or religion or culture. There's so much different kind of, so many options, which is fantastic.